everybody! Bit of a home vlog today.
Yeah.
So it's Sunday, it's raining, it's miserable. So in the week you went to the dentist, didn't you?
Yes.
And Poppy had got a wobbly tooth and the dentist asked you if you'd like the tooth taken out. And we don't know why, but Poppy said yes. So the dentist very kindly took your tooth out, didn't she?
Yes.
So we thought we'd better take Poppy to the toy shop for a bit of a prize for being the most bravest of girls ever in the world. So shall we show everybody what you got?
Wait,
Wait.
So we're gonna have two prizes to show you.
Oh.
Because the tooth fairy would have came and Mummy let me have another prize for the dentist.
Yeah, so Tooth Fairy's been... So you got one prize with your Tooth Fairy money, and then Mummy and Daddy brought you a prize for being brave.
And I got £10.
Yeah, you did. How lucky are you? Right, shall we show everybody what you got?
Yeah.
Okay. So Pops, what did you get?
So last time we went to the toy shop, we saw this Bellatrix doll. Daddy thought it would only be there for that day, and I got something else. And Daddy was like, "Are you sure, Poppy? Because this might not be here next time," and it actually was.
Yeah, there was two left. We got loads when we went before, didn't we? A few weeks ago. It was just the last one on the shelf. Was it one? Or there was two, wasn't there? Was that one and another one?
Little three.
Was there three left?
Yeah, because there were three in one row.
And what else did you get?
So there was this advert on the telly about Scrunchies, and I always thought it was cute. And I was like, "Oh, I want one of them, Mummy." So then they finally turned up at the toy shop.
Found them in the toy shop. Ooh, that was cool.
Yeah.
So shall we unpack everybody and show everybody after we've unpacked?
Yes.
So yesterday, Mummy and Poppy made some gingerbread biscuits. Look at them. And Annie Mae's trying one. Is that nice? Isn't that nice?
Wait, did you take the buttons off?
I took the buttons off, don't worry.
Did you
Don't
eat
worry
them?
everybody. I ate the Skittle buttons. Is that nice, Annie Mae? Yes. Nice. Nom, 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 nom. Where did he go? Annie Mae? Where did the gingerbread man go? Oh dear. Oh dear. There's only crumbs left. Oh, I'll just finish with a bit of sandwich. Don't like a bit of sandwich with your biscuit, is there?
Not gingerbread man, no. Nom 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 nom. Oof. The most delicious thing.
That's about that. Hey. No, 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 no.
Look all this here.
Yeah, I think we're going to need a good sponge down. Don't you, Pops?
Yeah.
Good sponge down. What are you doing, crazy lady? What are you doing, crazy Annie? No, where you going? No, we don't want shoes, do we? Why don't you go back in there?
Wrong room, Annie. 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 You're going in the wrong room. You're going in the Harry Potter room. Oh. Oh.
Going back this way. Back into here. Alright, shall we open what we got Annie from the toy shop?
Yes.
So Annie, what did we get you from the shop?
A boot.
No, not a boot. Look what we got Annie, we got some Fisher Price little people. A little girl. A little boy.
And a seesaw.
And a seesaw.
I thought that one looked like me.
It does, doesn't it?
You want...
What are you doing? What are you doing, crazy? Quick, run off with the shoe. What are you doing? Being climbed. Being climbed by a baby. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Good out. Shall we open this box then, Annie Mae? Yeah? Can you open that, Poppy?
Yeah. A bit tricky. being attacked by a baby.
The baby's attacking the camera.
Because you've got that thing on there, haven't you?
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm opening it, Annie, I'll open it. I think it needs scissors. Rip into it. There, I've got super hands.
Super fast.
Annie!
Where'd she go?
See, I managed to get into it. Oh, God.
What are you doing?
Annie! I want to play with you. I'll just get my friend. Whee! 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 Let's go on the seesaw!
You coming?
Hiya, sir.
Coming.
Hiya, sir. Put him on here.
Annie, what about your new peepaw? Well, it's much more fun going this way.
Well, they're on the seesaw.
Bye bye. What are you doing? I'm in my bus.
Can I get in too, Annie? Leave room for two. Oh, there's a car under here. There's a car under here. There's a car. Oh, I'm going to have to get out and get back in again and get this car.
Where have you got, Annie?
There's a car under there. There's a man.
Oh, a truck.
Ooh. If you remember the Christmas video, this was the Christmas bus.
It was the Christmas bus.
Hey, where are you going? You trying to get your car? Get that for you. Oh. Go.
Hello. The bus is ringing.
There's a phone. Oh, crap! How many times do I have to get out? Oh, I can't get it. You want to go that side?
My ball from the zoo.
Which side's gonna come? That's one of the other videos as well.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, Mummy and Poppy and Nanny.
Went to the zoo.
Flycross. I got a watch. Yeah. Yeah, we did.
What are you doing, crazy baby?
That's what she's doing. Annie. Annie.
Annie. Annie.
Annie. Annie.
She's not bothered.
She's on a mission.
Too busy getting out of the bus.
Could you show the vlog how you walk? That's the wrong way. Hello. Can you stand up? Go on, go up. Oh, stand there. Go on, show your vlog.
Ooh.
Yay! Careful, Annie.
Oh, I had enough of that.
I don't know.
I want to get back in my bus.
Can you get in, Annie?
She's in.
You're in.
Doop doo doop doo.
Oh. I'm in. You want me to drive, Annie? Yeah, in under the here.
Clapping. Clap, clap.
Annie. Annie. Annie.
Clap,
Annie. Annie.
There's too much to do.
Just too busy, Mum. Too busy getting out of my bus head first.
Annie. Annie May.
Clap, clap, clap.
Clapping. Clap, 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 clap.
You're drooling on her sister.
You play kissy kiss.
Mwah.
Oh.
Mwah.
Oh, kissy kiss.
Slobber.
Did you get more than you bargained for?
Annie.
Are you driving the bus? Are you driving the bus, Annie Mae?
Coming for a kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss.
Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, look at the people. Are they good, Annie?
Did they come off?
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
Let's get them off. There you go.
Oh, they're good. She likes people.
Yeah, you like those Happy Land people, don't you?
Take them in my bus.
I'm gonna take them for a ride.
Are you in, Annie?
Yeah.
So ladylike. I'm in head first.
Right.
Are you in the bus? What was the Poppy?
Let me show you my stuff.
Oh yes. So, show us Poppy. Show us Bellatrix. Oh wow, look at her. That's an amazing dolly, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this is actually my favourites out of Luna Lovegood and Hermione Granger. They're just upstairs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we can show you the 3 of them in a minute if I go and get those things.
Yeah, and what about your scrunchie? What did you get in your scrunchie?
So I got this clip,
Oh, a sparkly clip.
this bubble,
Yeah.
and this ribbon.
Ooh, and what about the scrunchie? Look at the scrunchie, isn't it cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scrunch.
Good.
And it's got a secret pocket.
Ooh, a secret passage.
Passage?
Secret passage.
You can't go in.
What's the bus driver doing? You can't eat your passengers. You can't eat your passengers. I'll lure you onto my bus and then I'll munch you. Nom 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 nom.
They tipped up that end.
Yeah.
Against there.
Oh, shall we twiddle your bus round? Oh,
You should have thought that way.
yes. The girls have managed to bust the bus. They've made a doorway. You seem to have very staticky hair. Anyway, cut her hair. It's standing on end. So you've been and got everybody then, Poppy.
Yeah. So these are my other dolls, and they're my 3 favourite characters, so that's why I've got the dolls.
Oh. So who you got?
Got Hermione Granger, my first favourite character.
Yeah.
Bellatrix Lestrange, my 3rd favourite character.
Yeah.
And my 2nd favourite character, Luna Lovegood.
No, good.
Which you call her Luna Longbottom, which is Neville Longbottom.
Annie, what are you doing?
Ah, she's got that camera again. Drive me. Please. Mwah.
So, like every Fletcher's World home vlog, Mum is cooking food.
Why is there a turkey?
It's not a turkey.
It's a big chicken.
Big chicken. To feed you hungry lot.
So what are you doing with the chicken, Mama?
Roasting it.
Roasting it and
Stuffing
stuffing
it.
it. Stuffing it with
Onion.
onion.
Putting some onion in it. Papa's thinking, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mother?
Poppy, show me the face. Am I gonna get you? Am I gonna get you? Am I gonna get you? What else we doing, Mama?
Putting some fennel around
Yes,
it.
he's okay.
Good out.
Covering it with some mixed herbs.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh.
If they come out.
Bit more.
Salt.
Oh, bit salt.
There's pepper.
From Sergeant Pepper.
Drizzle of oil.
Drizzle. Hold on.
Then we cover it with foil.
Cover it with the foil.
Yeah. Cast mark 6. 2 hours.
2 hours.
Remove the foil after an hour and a half.
Okay.
Thank you. Cut.
Putting it in. Excuse me.
Hey.
Hey. Ah.
Hot foil.
Taking the chicken out the base and to remove the foil.
Look at that. You've got to even smell it. It smells delicious.
Thank you. Looking good. Lots of juice.
Very juicy.
Nice gravy.
Yeah, well. Hasn't been a big sleeping after all of the playing.
Yeah.
Yes, who's?
Ready for a big dinner.
Yeah. Alright, in this.
No.
Hello. Back in then now, mummy.
Back in another half an hour.
Half an hour. Whilst Annie's sleeping, Poppy's playing a bit of Lego Harry Potter on the Switch. Aren't you, Pops?
Oh. Yeah.
Trying to crack the code with Hermione.
It shows you first.
And outside, it is horrible. A proper home vlogging day, isn't it, Poppy?
Yeah.
Really awful. Eee. Don't know if you can hear me, but it's definitely raining now. Oh my goodness. Definitely a day. Stay at home. Oh my. It's actually bouncing off the ground. Anyway, you woke up. Hello? Hello? Have you woke up? Oh dear. Oh dear. Should I go for hungry, Annie? Are you ready for your dinner? Yes. Are you ready for your dinner, Pops?
Yeah, empty.
I'll fill a glass to do it. Are you hungry, Mummy?
Yeah.
Hungry.
So these are all the scrunchies.
What is?
These are all the scrunchies that you can get. I want that one.
Thought you might want more.
I've got that one.
Yes. Yes.
That one's a bat, and that's why it's hanging upside down.
Oh, the beast's done. Look at it, glory. Do you need a slicer, Mummy?
I do.
Okay, I'll come slice. Annie Mae's dinner. How about that? It's just cooling down, isn't it, chick? Yeah, you after the microphone.
Did you do me out ready? No?
One for coffee.
One for Poppy. Oh, I'll get you some gravy on.
Chef's treat.
Chef's treat. Is that good, Pops? Did it good? Did it not? Yeah. You were saying yeah?
Can I only have it? Yeah.
I'll have a check. See if it's cooling off. How's that, Annie Mae? You got a bit of Yorkshire pudding? Yeah. Oh, me Martinez. Nom nom nom. Look at that is. Woohoo! Nom nom nom. What did you just say, Pops?
I can taste the onion in it.
What,
And is
in the chicken and the gravy?
Yeah.
Is it extra delicious?
Yeah.
And the fennel?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good chef, Chef Good. How you getting on, little girl? You enjoyed it? Yes. You're doing well, Lord. Doing very well. Small amount of swithering. Didn't they, Annie? Yeah. Good to drink. Still with a drink. Are you full to the top? Are you full to the top? Was that good? How was dinner, Pops?
Good.
Dinner good. Compliment to the chef.
Thank you,
That
thank you.
was
Thank you,
lovely.
thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm getting clapped.
Oh, round of applause. Annie,
Yeah, yeah,
clap,
yeah, mummy.
Clap for mummy.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum.
Who's
Yeah.
Baba?
That sounds like a bye-bye.
Mum, mum. Mum, mum. Clap, clap, clap.
You gonna clap, Annie?
Clap, clap, clap.
Clapping.
Clap, clap, clap.
Waving.
Clapping.
Clap, 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 clap.
Clapping.
Come on, show us how you can clap. I'm too busy.
Hello. Hello. You were saying hello, Annie. Clapping. Clap, 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 clap. Or waving. No, can't you be bothered? Can't you be bothered? Right, everybody, it's that time where it's the end of another one of our magical home vlogs. So what's left to say is
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
bye bye. Waving. Waving.